Nayak and today I will show you how to prepare moong sprouts at home. Take good quality moong beans, clean it and remove the stones if needed. Wash it with normal water. Rub it with your hands and clean it properly. After cleaning, drain the water. Soak it with enough water for 8 to 10 hours. Cover the bowl while beans are soaking. After the soaking time, they are expanded and double in size. Look at it. Drain the water completely. Take a clean cloth and wet it. Squeeze it well. Dump all the beans on the center of the cloth. And tie a knot. Put the knot upside down in a bowl. Cover the bowl carefully so that the air can be circulated. After 12 hours, remove the cover and open the cloth. See, beautifully sprouted moong. So here our moong sprouts are ready. You can use it for make sabji, sandwich, salad and many other dishes. In my last video, I made sprouted moong salad. You can check it. So now you know how to prepare moong sprout. So please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.